you're just going to be pouring bacteria and fungus and fungi on your scalp, and it's just some nasty ass shit, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. Hi people of the interweb, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okachi. If you're to this channel, hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, productivity with a sprinkle. I don't know what the sprinkle of everything else, because I've already said everything else, but with a sprinkle of everything else in between. So please consider subscribing to this channel if you love this kind of content. And if you're not new to this channel, welcome back home. So guys, today's video is a DIY Blacksoap Ayurveda based shampoo tutorial, okay? I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite shampoo that I use in my hair, DIY style, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do, let us get right into the video. So guys, for the shampoo, the first thing you would need, guys, is obviously black soap. You need black soap for this because black soap is our cleansing agent, okay? You can use castile soap or whatever. So for me, I like using black soap. I like my black soap in powder form because it's very easy for that one to melt in hot water. The solid ones, the very solid ones, take time to melt and I don't have time to waste, okay? The next thing you're going to need, guys, is apple cider vinegar or apple cider vinegar. You can actually ditch the apple cider vinegar, but me, I prefer using this in my hair because it's just very good for like pH balancing. It's also very good for like high porosity hair, so we can't ditch it, okay? The next, rather than using only hot water in our hair, guys, we have to use an Ayurvedic tea because an Ayurvedic based shampoo, we're not going to go in with just hot water and shampoo and apple cider vinegar. No, guys, we need an Ayurvedic tea, and I'm going to be going in with my dear wife Kachi. I have my own tea, my own hair company brand, kind of sort of company. Okay, my dear wife Kachi, let me see, I think it was this one I used, the Revitalizing Tea. Yes, this one has black tea, green tea, rosemary and henna powder, so this is perfect for shedding, like an anti-shedding kind of sort of vibe, okay? Yeah, then the last thing is our essential oils, guys. You cannot sleep on essential oils. If you want to have a shampoo that would work for your hair and all that good stuff, don't sleep on essential oils. Don't sleep on them, guys. Don't sleep on them. Peppermint essential oil, tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, lemongrass essential. Don't sleep on it, guys. I'm going to go in with lemongrass and peppermint in this video because why not? Okay, because why not? Because why not? And there's already rosemary in this Revitalizing Tea, so I already get the essence of rosemary, okay? And yeah, for those that be asking me, Kachi, what of preservative? Personally, I don't put preservative in my black soap shampoo because I use the whole bottle in one day. Like one day, I don't store till the next day. Everything finishes the same day I make it. Okay, but you can get preservative. I have preservative actually, but I don't use it at all for my shampoos because I finish everything in one day. So you can try to get liquid gemal plus phenoxyethanol and all that good stuff. I think I'll do a dedicated preservative video later on when I have gained enough knowledge about preservatives. The one I have at home is the liquid gemal plus. That's the only one I have at home, but I don't use them in my shampoo because I don't store my shampoo more than a day. But if you want to use preservative in your hair, if you don't have preservative to use, I advise you make the quantity that you can finish at that point. I'm not a fan of leaving your shampoo to stay for 2 weeks and there's no preservative in it. You're just going to be pouring bacteria and fungus and fungi on your scalp and giving your head a scalp irritation and irritating your scalp, and it's just some nasty ass shit, okay? Okay, don't do that. Even your hair sees, I think for this year I said max 3 days. Dispose after 3 days of brewing. Don't try to store. Don't try to be storing and say, oh, put in the fridge. Mold can still go in the fridge. It may just take a longer time, but it will still be there. Go and read biology, guys. Okay, so let's get right into, let's get mixing, okay? So guys, we're going in first with the Revitalizing Tea blend. Just 1 tea bag is enough. You don't need to use the 5 tea bags that come inside, okay? Then after which, we're going to need our black soap. I'm using powdered black soap because I told you guys that this melts better in hot water than the solid ones. I don't want to sleep there trying to make a shampoo, okay? Finally, we will need apple cider vinegar. So that was 35 grams of black soap, and this is 30 ml of apple cider vinegar. All the measurements will be in the description box, okay? Then this is hot water. This is 250 ml of hot water. So what I like to do instead of wasting my time is to make the tea with hot water and add the black soap at the same time. So the same time is taking the tea to get ready, at the same time my black soap will be melting in the hot water. So I pour the water in the tea and stir it till all the black soap has dissolved. So at this moment, the tea is mixing with the hot water, the black soap is mixing with the hot water. Everyone is happy, okay? And time is being saved, okay? So after a couple of minutes, this is how my tea looked. And after about 30 minutes of waiting, this is how it looked. And finally, after almost an hour, this is how it looked. Everything had dissolved perfectly, guys, everything. So I took out the tea bag and I added my apple cider vinegar to the mix. You guys can see that pop of color. I just stirred it completely and I went ahead to pick up the plastic bottle in which I was going to store it in, guys. I love using an applicator bottle because it just helps me to apply the products better to my scalp when I'm shampooing. So I went ahead to grab my funnel and I poured in the shampoo into the applicator bottle. A tip I would give is don't add your essential oils till you've put the shampoo in the bottle. Don't add your essential oils in the mixing bowl, okay? So I first went in with my peppermint essential oil, guys. I love peppermint. I did not actually measure how many drops I put. I just put till I felt like I was happy. And I think I put a lot. So like a few drops, between like 5 and 10 drops would be enough. Then I went in with lemongrass, guys, because I know I love lemongrass essential oil. It just adds that extra spice and extra smell, guys. It smells amazing. So my shampoo, and this is everything. This is the bottle. So let's just get washing, okay? So guys, I went ahead to just apply this directly to my scalp. You can see the advantage of using an applicator bottle. Imagine having to pour this on your hand and then having to pour it on your head or rub it in your scalp. No, this is just perfect, okay? No, tell me you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Ooh, African Michael Jackson. So I really love going in with my scalp massager when I'm shampooing my hair, not when I'm deep conditioning. No, guys, I love using it when I'm shampooing. I love using it to just lift off any dirt or any debris or any leftover or gunk on my scalp. It works perfectly, especially if you're lazy like me and you don't want to be using your hands so much. Now let's wash it all out, okay? We're done shampooing, guys. Let's enjoy this video. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. Don't forget to shop for your products at DIYs by Kachi, my company. Yeah. We ship internationally. We have products for like, we have our multi-use henna mix, multi-use henna powder, our 2 variants of our Ayurvedic tea, our hair and body butter, scalp trigger elixir, and edges trigger elixir. 7 products in all, okay? Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Natural Kachi, join the K gang, join the people of the interweb, join the gang, and pick us you guys in my next video. Don't forget to fake it till you make it. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up me, look at the color. If I forget in the name, I go use screw collar. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up me.